right, welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, what was supposed to have been a smooth start to the beginning of CSEC exams turned into disappointment today.
Several students who are to sit the agricultural science exams at the Bustamante High School learned that their SBAs were destroyed by a long-standing nuisance, stray animals.
Now TVJ's Jamaica has the details.
The school-based assessments SBAs of Agri-Students students at the Bustamante High School in Clarendon have been compromised after stray animals reportedly destroyed them. The students were planting crops in the greenhouse on the school's compound and relied on the farming results as part of their CXC exams. Chairman William Shaguri describes it as a disaster.
They cut the fence and came in. And then they cut the greenhouse and let the goat inside of the greenhouse to eat down the entire crop of what the children had planted down there. I mean, I can't understand how unconscionable this is for the poor kids, really is really disappointed. And I don't know how they're going to be, the results of what they're doing in the examination is going to be.
TVJ News tried to find out how many students were impacted. However, school principal Wayne Evans didn't readily have the information. He agreed to speak with us at a later date. According to Mr. Shaguri, this isn't the first time there have been complaints about stray animals. In the past, cows have attacked student athletes while they trained. The school is without a fence and is utilized by the community. While at the school, we observed the torn tarp on the greenhouse where the students' assignments were. On the ground around it, electrical wires played a dangerous game of twister.
It's like they really don't care about what happened to anyone. Don't care about what happened to the school, don't care about what happened to the children, they don't care about what happened to even themselves, because they could be electrocuted as well. When they came over there and cut the place, they could have been electrocuted because the entire area there is wires all over the place.
Disappointed, the chairman says acts like these continue to break the school spirit and students' pride. The greenhouse was destroyed by fire before from an illegal connection. The wires run from the bushes through the school's property and onto this GPS pole. Back in 2022, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, during a visit, ordered that the wires be removed immediately, fearing it could cause harm to unsuspecting students.
The irony of it is that their own children may very well be attending the school. No, that has to stop.
They were removed, but when TVJ News visited the school on Tuesday, they were back up again.
We need to get the parents of those children involved. We have to, somehow or the other, we have to get them involved. It is their children's future, and we're trying to, I am doing my very best. I promised the Member of Parliament that I would do my best to try and bring the school back to some semblance of order. But I promised them 3 years, 1 term, and that's it. I just can't.
We reached out to Member of Parliament Pernell Charles Jr. about the concerns raised by the school. He declined to comment on the issue of the destroyed SBAs, but he did say, quote, "There will be a meeting to discuss the importance of a whole-of-community approach and to highlight the need for ownership." He went on to say progress has been made and we will successfully transform the space one step at a time, end quote. But what about the fencing project for the school? The Education Ministry in February said it contracted a land surveyor to begin work in March, after which a design would have been done for the procurement of the fence. We asked the ministry for an update, but we did not receive one up to news time. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.
The police